the dawn there was no sound, only silence spinning round. Then he whispered, "Let there be light," and darkness trembled into sight. Golden rays through endless skies, the birth of morning in his eyes. From nothing rose the sacred tune of God.